The world around us is constantly changing, and with this change comes the need for new buildings and infrastructure. This is where companies like Beit Al Reef come in, providing exceptional building and maintenance services to their clients. Beit Al Reef is a leading contracting company in the United Arab Emirates, specializing in general contracting, construction, maintenance, and ironworks. They have extensive experience in the field of flooring, hospitals, clinics, and more. The specialized team at Beit Al Reef works hard to ensure that their clients' needs are met and their projects are completed on time and within the specified budget. Whether it's a hospital, clinic, or any other project, Beit Al Reef has the experience and expertise to get the job done right. With a good reputation for hard work and customer satisfaction, Beit Al Reef is the best choice for anyone looking for reliable and professional building services in the United Arab Emirates. So, if you need building services, look no further than Beit Al Reef. Call them today. Beit Al Reef, smart solutions to your construction.